I believe we all can agree that Agentic AI has fundamentally changed how we build products and what is the expectations for PM to enter into PM world or AI PM world or succeed in this new AI world. Hi, my name is Mahesh. I have worked in companies like Meta, Google, Microsoft, and AWS and build AI products and frameworks that you use to build Agentic AI products today. And what I thought is that in the world where the cost of building things is so low, we will need more PMs who can define what needs to be built and create business around the things that engineers are building. To my surprise, PMs are the one who are struggling the most to enter this AI PM world and also succeed in the AI PM world once they start. And hence, I'm partnering with Times Group to build a course that not only help you jump into AI PM space, but help you build, scale, and create your own productivity tools that help you go from a PM to a super PM. In this course, I will share my learning in building and shipping more than 10 Agentic AI products and what's happening latest and greatest in the space of building AI products here in Bay Area, as I'm building my own startup, which is based on the fundamentals of how we bring agents to production. I will cover how to identify AI opportunities that gives return on investment and also help you build your first agent with NA10 in backend and v0.dev in the front end. We will also launch this agent in production where hundreds of users can try and give you feedback. Once you got the feedback, I will cover how can you set observability requirements and evaluation requirements for your Agentic AI products. At the same time, I will show you how can you build or enhance the agent you build with advanced concepts like agentic RAG, tool calling, MCP server connections, and fine-tuning. Then we will switch to how can you price your products right and build a go-to-market motion around your Agentic AI products, which I tell you that very different from traditional products. And then I will show you how can you build your own personal assistant using OpenClaw. In the end, you will have artifacts like an Agentic AI PRD, a fully functional Agentic AI products that's launched in production where hundreds of users can give you feedback and try it, and a personal assistant where you can delegate more and more work as you continue to learn and ship Agentic AI products. With all this, I am so excited to get on this journey with you. So let's get started by attending this live workshop with Economic Times.